And so you guys have the opportunity to automate this whole process without any upfront work at all. What's going on YouTube? Matt Johnston coming at you guys with a quick video. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make $100 a day, even if you're 100% broke. But before we get into this video, please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell below because I'm going to be providing a tremendous amount of value to you guys on each one of my videos. And so yeah guys, the business model I'm showing you guys today actually involves buying and selling books. Now, this is one way you guys can get started doing this is by selling your own books on this marketplace. Maybe if you're a college student, maybe if you're a high school student, or maybe if you have any old textbooks that's laying around your house. But Bookscouters is essentially a marketplace where you can buy and sell textbooks and make a profit. And so we can look more into it right here. So you can see they have a wide variety of all these different school books that they sell. And so you guys can see why you should use Bookscouter. Bookscouter helps you sell textbooks and used books for the most money by comparing offers from over 35 buy book vendors with a single search. Okay, so you essentially can find the best books for the best price. And so this filters out the best deals for what the book is actually worth. And the great part about this website is they also have an app that you can download on your phone. So you can actually start this business from your phone as well. And so now the method I'm going to show you guys doesn't actually involve buying and selling books on this website. It actually involves drop shipping. Now the method I'm going to show you guys today actually doesn't involve any special skill set required. You don't have to be a certain age to get started. It's also 100% risk free. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys a way you can automate this to actually make money work for you. And so the first thing we're going to do is actually go to tools. Okay, and so once you get on this page right here, you're going to see the book selling tools category. And it's going to be divided into deals, bulk lookup, recently searched high value books, historic buyback price lookup, and the first thing you're going to want to hit is recently searched high value books. Okay, and this is going to filter out the best books that obviously have the most value to them, right? And so once I hit this page right here, I tend to filter it to 14 days. That way it gives you the best books that are filtered on this website. And so it's going to give you a list of every single hot selling book that is priced from highest to lowest. And that's how I filtered it here. But you're going to want to select the book that actually has the highest price value on the list, because that essentially means that you're going to make a larger profit when you're going to be selling this book. So you guys can see that all these books are priced pretty much at the same price point. So I'll just show you guys a random example here. So let's just we'll try this one right here. And so once you hit this page right here, all you'll want to do is actually copy the text of the title right here, and then just hit copy here, and then go to ebay.com, and then what you'll want to do is actually paste the whole thing right here. Let's see if I have any keywords. So I'll do 2 volume set. And so what you'll want to do is actually find a brand new version of this exact book. So you can see right here, this is a different book right here. This one's pre-owned right here. And so you'll just want to find the exact price of this item. And so we'll just scroll down a little further here. See if we could find the book. And so here's how much this book is actually selling on eBay for, okay? $456 for a brand new version of this book. And if we go back to this website here, we can scroll down a little here. And what you'll want to do is hit buy this book, okay? And then you can see right off the bat, this book in good condition is $213.94, right? And I want to see how much a brand new version of this book is actually worth. And so here's an example right here, okay? A brand new book in this condition is worth $217.66. Okay, so you can see how much this person is profiting just by selling this brand new book on eBay. And so what you guys can do is actually hit buy this book, okay? And this is actually the last one in stock. But you can see you can get this book for a total of $221.65, right? And you can see it was already going for around $450 on eBay. Now, you guys may be wondering, you know, I don't have the money to buy this book, or it's too risky to buy this book and it's not going to sell. Well, what you guys can do is actually create your own listing on eBay like what these people are doing. And what I would do, since his price is at $456, you know, you can make the price a little bit lower so that way you can have a competitive advantage. And you don't even have to actually buy this book until somebody buys it from your eBay store, right? So, you know, you can list it for a little bit cheaper than him. And then once somebody buys that book off you, you can just order it here and you can see the shipping time is around 3 to 10 days to reach the location. So one way you can do this is actually use that person's information and send it to their location. So this is essentially like drop shipping books. And then once that person buys from you, all you have to do is enter in that person's payment information. And once that's done, guys, all you have to do is ship this book out to that person, and you will receive the profit of how much you get from that listing. So that would be around, you know, $200 profit right there, just for selling this one book. All right, and so just make sure you guys know what your competitors are doing here, just so you guys know what you're doing, because you don't want to price the value of the book too high or price it too low, because then nobody's going to purchase your book. You want to make sure it's at a competitive price point. That way people are more likely to purchase your book through eBay. So you can see, you know, you can make a crazy amount of profit doing this. And so now you guys may be wondering, you know, how can I automate this whole process, or how can I make this work hands-free, you know, without having to, you know, constantly research new books or have to find out which book sells the best and how much I can make profit wise. Well, what you guys can do is actually scroll up here and go to tips, and then you're going to see a bunch of different categories here, but you'll want to scroll down until you find this category that says Zapier, and it says automate book selling with Zapier. Okay, and so you'll just want to hit that right there. And so you guys may be wondering, you know, what is Zapier, what's the purpose of it? Well, this is actually a tool that works with an API key, and you can see a little bit about it here. So Zapier, a company that moves information between web applications automatically. Okay, an application program interface is a set of rules, routines, and tools for building software applications. All right, so here's how you're going to be able to automate it here. So here's a way that you can actually automate this whole process here. So if we scroll down, you're going to see Zapier pipelines different APIs together without custom programming. So if you're searching for a book with a particular ISBN, the new Zap could notify your email account when the sell price is high. Okay, so this means that it'll actually send you these notifications through your email whenever the price of a book is selling at a high rate, right? So for example, you can receive an email notification containing ISBNs from a price watching service like Camel. Simply set up a filter in your email that forwards that email to Zapier. Zapier can then pass the ISBN to the Bookscatter Zap. The Zap would automatically return prices for all the ISBN lists in the email. All right, so you can then use Zapier to send yourself an email containing the current price on Bookscatter and all the prices on Camel found on Amazon. Okay, so essentially during this process, you're going to be the first one notified whenever there's a good opportunity to purchase a book and resell it on eBay. And so another way to automate your book selling would be to query an ISBN that goes up and down in price frequently every 15 minutes automatically. You can set a price threshold and get an alert if the book's price ever goes above the threshold. Okay, that's another great way that you can actually automate this whole process to find the best book to sell and then resell it on eBay to make some profit. Okay, so essentially what this means, you can use Zapier integrated with Bookscatter to find all the highest selling books on Amazon, and it'll find all the books that have the highest selling difference in price. All right, so I hope that makes a little bit of sense to you guys. So it's pretty much when you can buy low and sell high. All right, if you guys didn't get what I was saying there, but with this website, you can see it was focused on Amazon, but the method we're using today is actually with eBay. You can also use Amazon. That's another great platform you can use, but eBay is a lot easier in my opinion because you don't have to send any inventory to a warehouse or have Amazon in control of anything. With eBay, you essentially make these listings yourself. And you can send the books straight to the person through your eBay listing. And so that's why I prefer eBay, you know, when it comes to drop shipping. But I recommend you guys use Amazon as another way to actually find some good deals for these books, right? Just to see the competitive prices for these books that you can sell. That way, once you find that big price difference in books, then you can actually take that information and use it to sell it on eBay. I mean, because eBay and Amazon are both, you know, the top places for drop shipping in general. And so you can use these to figure out what the best selling books are, what the best prices are, and you can use that to sell these books on eBay. So that's essentially how you can do that and automate this whole process. So you don't have to do any kind of, you know, labor intensive work here. It's all pretty much fully automated if you create this system here. That way you don't have to constantly, you know, search for all these deals here. Go on eBay and find out the best prices. You essentially can just get these emails sent to you or these notifications, and you'll be able to find the best price differences to buy low and sell at a high price, right? So this was just a neat way I wanted to show you guys for drop shipping with these books, because you know, with books, there's always going to be a demand for them because people are constantly buying books, whether it's for school, whether it's for work, or whether they just want to learn the skill in general. But yeah, guys, so this is essentially what I wanted to show you guys today. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe for more future videos. And yeah, guys, take care.